Alright everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I made my own custom font. As you can see, this is fully workable with all the characters. So first step is we go over to this website called Calligraphy. So it's called Calligrapher, and this is the home page. You make an account, and once you've got an account set up, this is what the home page looks like. You go over to create a template, download template. I chose PNG. Hit download, and then you'll have this zip file, and you can just download that and it'll be on your desktop. So once that's on your desktop, you go over here, extract it, and then let it do its thing. Once that's extracted, you'll have these two files, and with these files, as you can see, you're able to draw in each character. So I went ahead and uploaded this to my iPad, and I drew in the characters, and I'll show you guys what those came out to look like. So I used my iPad and my iPad pencil, and I drew in my own letters. So after you fill that in your own style, you go back to the Calligrapher website, you go over to My Fonts, upload template, you choose the file, you choose the template that you just drew, and then upload it, and it'll process. Once that's done processing, you can see it cuts out each character, and you can add characters to your font. Once that's done, you can click build font, you can name it, build it, and then these are the TTF and OTF files. These are the files that are your font. So you just go ahead and download those, put them on your desktops. I'll put them back in here. Let's call it whatever. And now you have the file here. So this is a TTF file of your font, and you just right click, go to install, and it'll install. If you're on a MacBook, you go to your magnifying glass up here, you type in fonts, it'll open up the font folder, and you just drag that into the fonts. So after you've got the font done, now you can go to your Photoshop or whatever. You can search up the font here, and it'll appear. So there's my font. I call it Vandalism. I'll put a link for it in the description if you guys want to use it. But yeah, that's basically how you make the font. So if you found any value in this video and it helped you out, hit subscribe, because I'll be posting like more helpful creative tutorials like this. And thanks for watching.